Alright, Mr. Gatekeeper here. We have a Rebel 200. If you see any smoke, it's my cigarette. We have a Rebel 200, but really what this is a messenger. The builder who builds messengers built this. You can see his initials right there. But basically we have a Class C. This is not AB bias. Class C MRF455 double brown dot transistors. There they are right there. Motorola MRF455. The preamp does work on this bad boy. I just checked it. So everything seems to be in perfect working order. I hadn't checked it on low yet. Or actually, I just had it on low, didn't I? Let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's put this back on the RMS. Put it on low. It don't really appear that the high and low switch does too much. Let's see, maybe just a little, but we're 4 watts RMS is what we're driving into the amp. There's a 1,000 watt slug. Okay, the 100 is 1,000, 20 is 200. In between that's 100. This is RMS. 80 watts RMS. Let's see if we switch it up to high. So it don't really appear that the high and low switch is working. I hadn't had time to look at it. I don't know if it's the switch ain't working or if it just isn't doing much. But that's something I just noticed, which ain't really that big of a deal. It's dead keying pretty good and low. See, about a 40 watt dead key. Oh, all right, that's 80 watts RMS. Here's your peak, 1,000 watt slug. About 180 watts. Yeah, there's your input tune. Yeah. Alrighty. Like I said, the preamp works. TX light works. Alright, now I'm going to hook up the hot radio and I'll be right back. Alright, now we're doubling our input from 4 watts RMS to 8 watts RMS, okay? 1,000 watt slug still. Here's the hot radio. Right there at 100 watts RMS. That's what we're looking for out of these transistors. As long as we can get 100 watts RMS out of them, they're working good. That's my law with these 455s. Right there at 200 watts. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to raise the voltage on up to 16.2 volts. Not too much on the peak. I know about RMS will come up a little bit probably. No, not much. So right there, close to 100 watts RMS, maybe 95, 98, 200 watts peak on the max end. Alright, the only thing I want to show is somebody had a little fun drilling on this thing. It's just dirty, it needs to be clean, but somebody had a fun time drilling on that, and I can tell what they done. They had a fan on here. You can see the screw holes. So what you can do if you want to is just put you a fan. Looks like it's about an 80 millimeter fan from what I'm just guesstimating. So you can put your little 80 millimeter fan right there and blow some down in the box, and they got an exit hole right here for the exit. But it's best to put them fans on the heat sinks if you can. Alright, off the eBay it goes. Mr. Gatekeeper trying to get some extra cash for vacation. 73rds.